Okay, we are going to continue from where we left. We were working on product, and the error we are getting couldn't detect the directory. You should use require instead of import. This is Node.js. Use require. Okay, so we have required the product from product model, but we are still getting some error. Now to use SQLize, you need to install MySQL 2. I already installed, and as you remember, during connection we want to specify the subject name, username, password. Now here we can do .env .password db password. MySQL, yeah. Now I want to use MySQL 2. Here you can figure MySQL 2 option. For more details you can go through the documentation, but in the .env file I want to create the database name. Host, it's not called host. Port. Database name is the root. Okay, we should create a new database. Let me name it full stack. User password should be null. Now in the DB we expect host, port, DMS underscore host, port, DB name, username, password, DB name, DB user, DB password, 1 2 3 4 5. I think everything is configured, but we need to have our database running. So I'm going to start out the sum. Start my sum. My laptop is a bit tired, but we'll have it done. Now our database is running on which port? 3306. access denied. We are not able to establish connection to the database. Okay, this support MySQL. We can go to the documentation and check